Apache Kafka is the nervous system of modern application design as well as about the system design as well. But when it comes to the integration of Apache Kafka along with the Kubernetes, it can be a real mess because, as we all know, there's no inbuilt or the native support that's available with the Kubernetes of integrating Apache Kafka along with your applications. That's where Strimzi actually comes into play. Strimzi understands the operational needs of our Apache Kafka cluster and automates them using the Kubernetes API by emphasizing the declarative approach. Instead of going along with the imperative approach of teaching as well as understanding or explaining about each and every particular step that has to be followed in order to move along with a particular set of features or the action that has to be triggered. You don't have to run an imperative command to set up your Kafka cluster. You simply just define your desired state in a YAML manifest files, and the Strimzi will actually take care of it and bring that file to the life. This means that you can version control your entire Kafka infrastructure in Git and follow up the GitOps approach. Strimzi handles the deployment of all your Kafka components, including the broker, zookeeper, as well as the entity operators. Strimzi automates your horizontal scaling of the Kafka cluster. That means you just have to move along with your definition, the YAML definition file, YAML manifest file, and change the number of replicas count in your YAML manifest file. Strimzi will handle by adding new brokers and rebalancing the partitions as well. Strimzi manages the rolling updates for the Kafka cluster itself. If you need to upgrade the Kafka version or change the configuration, you just update your YAML manifest file and Strimzi will handle the control as well as in a zero downtime rolling update for the brokers as well. Strimzi provides built-in support for the security features like the TLS encryption and the SASL authentication, making it easy to deploy a secure Kafka cluster. So Strimzi lets you treat Apache Kafka as a first-class citizen in the Kubernetes cluster and the environment. It eliminates the operational burden of the distributed system and gives the power of declarative as well as the GitOps friendly approach to automating as well as streamlining your data. Is the key of making the Kafka as a truly cloud native kind of the integrating environment. There's a lot more to know about the Strimzi as well as about the Kafka cluster as well and Kafka environment. I'll try to cover them all of them in a much more detailed video. If you want to know more about this particular project, then tag the Apache Kafka as well as the Strimzi or the CNCF foundation. If I get pinged back, then I'll make a dedicated video about these particular topics for free. Radhe Radhe.